Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a personal reflection journal in Notion. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, open your Notion app and click on the plus new page button. This is where your journal will live, and it's crucial to get this set up right. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Next up, title your page something like Reflection Journal. This helps us because it instantly reminds us of the purpose of this page every time we see it. Now, we're going to create a new template for our journal entries. Click on the Templates button on the top right of your page. Choose Blank for now. The reason we do this is to ensure every journal entry has a consistent structure, which makes it easier to track our thoughts over time. Let's set up the structure of our journal entry. You might want to include sections like date, thoughts, lessons, and goals. You can add these sections by using the /text command and giving each section a heading. This is important because it allows us to compartmentalize our thoughts into clear, manageable chunks. Now, let's add some substance to our journal. Begin by writing your first entry. Remember, this is your space for reflection, so don't be afraid to dive deep. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you develop your journal, Notion is creating a database of your thoughts and reflections. This is a powerful tool, allowing you to look back and see patterns or changes in your thinking over time. Before we wrap up, I want to show you one last thing. You can customize your journal's look by adding cover images or icons. To do this, click on the Add Icon or Add Cover buttons at the top of your page. This is a fun way to personalize your journal and make it uniquely yours. And that's it. We've created a personal reflection journal in Notion. You now have a powerful tool to track your thoughts, feelings, and growth over time. Remember, the beauty of journaling in Notion is that it's completely customizable to your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy journaling, and see you in the next video.